Hi, this is Ami Moravich. It is project commerce of CS50’s web programming with Python and JavaScript. Okay, as the specification says, I have implemented three models in addition to the user model, and as you see, one model for the listing, another for the beads, and finally a model for comments. I have also written three forms for those models. Okay, then create listing. I have already created three users. Uh, one. Okay, I will show here. One, Tom, Harry, Brad, everyone with one listing. Okay, I log in with, for example, Tom. Okay, on here create listing. Uh, Enter a title for the listing. For example, Batman hoodie, a description, and URL for image, and also bit. This title, description, and initial bits are required. For example, we cannot fulfill a form without initial bit. I put- and I also specify a category. So it is now built. And as you see, the default route shows the active listings. Now I pause the video and create two other listings. Okay, as you see, the default route shows the active listings, and for each listing, it shows its title, its description, its initial price, its current price, and also its image is if there is an image, and here there is no image, and it says no photo. Okay, when I click on a listing, for example, it is created by Tom. It shows details on here. I can add it to my watch list, or I have removed it from watch list. It shows the current price. If I enter a lower price, it shows me an error. For example, now I enter a valid price. Uh, Here I can add comments. And on here it is, for example, and now it shows me the comment. Now I will pause and resume. Okay, Tom curated this listing, and he has the option to close bid. If now he close bid, and I will log in with the winner. Okay, I logged in with Brad in here. As you see, excuse me, I think Harry won this action. And as you see, it shows the congratulations, you won this auction. On For example, when and on watch list, I it is no, it is not. It is for Brad. I added to the watch list of Harry. When I click on watch list, it shows redirects me to the uh, listing. Also, there is categories on here. For example, fashions. There is no, and when I click it, it takes me to the list, to that listing. Also, there is a admin interface. I log out from here. I And here I type admin. It is on admin. I can, as you see, for example, delete this act listings. I also can add bits. For example, on here I can add bits. For example, it is, and also there is a page for comments. Thank you.